alone, but you said that you would soon be home. But baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it.
What's up, you guys? Let me get to some lights. What's up, you guys? Happy Sunday. This is gonna be a reset vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and get prepared to reset. I'm gonna wipe the candles off and stuff. Before I reset anything, I'm gonna throw the stuff in the crock pot, which is chili beans. I'm gonna do them today, and yeah, so we can have to eat. But yeah, this is gonna be a reset. But yeah, happy Sunday, you guys. Happy Sunday. So I'm gonna reset the kitchen. I'm gonna put my sheets and covers in the wash and dryer. Sweep the floors, clean the bathroom. Yeah, because what else is to do on this wintry day when it's snowing and yeah, ice outside? What else to do? We ain't going nowhere. At least I'm not. Okay. But yeah, just come along, girl, and enjoy the ride. Make sure y'all push this video out. Yeah, push it out so we can get some new followers, new subscribers, new likes, and new comments. But yeah, anyways. But yeah, come on, y'all, and let's get into this reset day.
Alone, but you said that you would soon be home. But baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. On top of you not calling me back. You see, I bet you think it's all on track, and you acting like it's all of that.
Yeah. But yeah, that's how it's, something. I did see that twice.
It's time to go. Let's go. Kit Kat. You want no more? Let's go. Kit Kat. Frankly, no more eating it. I'm not feeling it. We at two places, but different places. We in trouble, but you won't meet me at the bridge. It hurts. It feels too slowly. Did you forget where your heart lives? You want my body. You don't want my body. I can like I'm with nobody. You feel like you got somebody. What about my body? What about my body? You would rather go and party somewhere every night. You know I hate sleeping alone, but you.
Because I'm not.
No, you don't got nothing else to do. You can go play with a toy. Go do something. There's something looking at me all sad. I can't do nothing about this.
It's time to go. Let's go. Kit Kat. You want no more? Let's go. Kit Kat. Frankly, let me show you how I'm not feeling it. I look to complexion, look to reflection. Keep straight and you'll see the sun right there, reflection.
I can put it back there. You already get.
Yeah, don't nobody want to iron. Yeah, nobody want to iron today. I don't even like iron. I have to iron on some work. I need to start making King's food. How often you make it? You make hers like all the time.
Yeah, once or twice a week. Usually once a week, and I try to make it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Kit Kat. It's time to go. Let's go. Kit Kat.
Look at my bread.
Ingredients.
Taking back the things I got from you, and that includes a sweet little nookie too. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
But I want,
You didn't tell me you ain't got one daughter.
but anyway,
Two.
Okay, excuse me
Yeah.
too. Sorry.
and she and the guys are older.
Let's go, let's get it. You don't want you anymore. No. Diamonds on my neck, got diamonds my records. Since 16, I was coming down, riding Lexus. How you gon' neglect this? You was just a hot mess. You been called Tyrone, you ain't got some live Chris. What about my body, baby? You want my body? I'm in my house all alone, you rather go and party. What about my body? You don't want my body. Acting like I'm nobody, you gon' make me call somebody. Let's go. I think it's time to go. Let's go. I wanna go. Let's go. No more getting it, I'm not feeling it. I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
Alright, y'all, so we got a little intervention, okay? My online order did not have my beans in there. So now I'm only got to go and get my beans. So it's gonna be a little bit later till everything is all together and marinated and cooked and done and be ready to eat. It's gonna be a lot later. It's always something. Always something. I just had to come and tell y'all that instead of, you know, just watching me cook and stuff like that. But I just put the ground beef into the crock pot. So yeah. Just irritated. But continue watching. Continue to watch me, okay?
Why my hair curly? Look.
Go ahead and clean this bathroom up real quick.
I would like to get to know.
So I don't have no Windex, and I just have to get some the other day. And so I'm just gonna put the stuff back where I normally have it. But I did go ahead and clean this up like that, like so. Alright, I ain't gonna worry about the tub today because it ain't that bad, so I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm gonna, yeah, move on to something else.
With what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, need you to be down. Wanna be down.
Ziploc bag. Had to fight for my life to get the Ziploc bag, y'all. Alright, that's enough. Show y'all what my plate look like, my bowl look like. There it is. Alright, let's try it together, okay? And I hate this tripod that y'all own because it's always like making y'all fall backwards. I hate that. And it's the Sony tripod because of that. But anyways, let's pray. Well, thank you. Love food to eat. Let me nourish my body. Lord, what you want to pray. Amen. Alright. Get a spoon first. Do a little mix and mix, stir, stir. All right. First bite gonna be for you guys. Okay. First bite for y'all. There you go. Oh, it's dripping on y'all. Uh-oh. Let's give it a little blow. See what we're working with. Hold on. Before we even take a bite. Too many noises is here. Tablets. People ain't watching. Alright, let's give us another blow. Mmm, that's good. That's good. Give it another little bite. Make sure it's good.
No, it's purple Doritos.
It probably is good with it.
Huh?
It probably is good with it.
Shuffle it.
Mmm.
This
Take
is
me through there. Take me through there.
This is literally cold.
Take me through there. Take me through there.
It's cold.
Let me wipe y'all off. Alright, y'all. I am back. It is currently 11:09. I took a nap. My head was hurting. Yeah, so I just put the sheets on the bed. I'm out in the comforters. I put it on some more time so it could be make sure it's dry. I'm about to get in the shower. And hopefully after I got the shower, hopefully it'll be dry. And all that good stuff. Why is it like y'all dirty? But yeah, I'm about to do that. I'm tired. I just, But yeah, like I said, I got the shower on, that sort of thing. And I know I didn't film me putting the sheets on, well, the fitted sheet. So, but hopefully once the comforter dry, I'll blog that. Yeah, I'm about to go in the shower. Let me get a new towel. Since I'm doing a reset, I need to reset, get a new towel and stuff. Let's see what kind of towel I get. I did not know it was this late, so let me get in the shower. In the shower. And I'll talk to y'all when I get out. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and put the covers on the bed. I'm about to get in the bed. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. But yeah, thank y'all for coming along with me for this Reset Sunday. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, I love you to the very end. But yeah, let's do this, and then I'm gonna peace out, okay? Now get up. Stop, move.
You need some help?
No.
Oh!
Move, Jay. Jalen, stop it.
Here. I got onions.
I know you did. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. I just got the shower and I'm ready to go to bed. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. Thank you for coming along with me for the reset. And make sure you stay tuned to Wednesday upload. Okay? I'm gonna try to start uploading on Sundays and Wednesdays. Good night. I'm gonna start trying to upload on Sundays and Wednesdays. Sunday is the resets and Wednesday that's just the weekly vlogs. Okay? But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, engage, and keep coming along with this ride. And make sure you push my video out, okay? I want to eventually do a giveaway. So make sure y'all push my video out and get my supporters up and subscribers up, okay? All right. Good night.